really good.
All right. Our question is, how do roots work? And this is our experiment. So let's make a hypothesis. Okay, what you think is going to happen? I think
that it's going to suck
mm-hmm.
the paper cow is going to suck up both of them and make it go in this cup and to make it green.
Oh, so you think in the middle cup, what's going to happen?
It's going to turn green.
Why do you think that?
Because blue and yellow make green.
Yeah, what do you think's going to happen, Everett?
The yellow and my sister, my yellow and my sister's blue is going to suck up the yellow and the blue into the middle cup, and then it's going to turn into green.
Okay, how's it going to suck it up?
From the paper towels.
Oh, so what's kind of like the tree root in this experiment?
Ooh, the paper towels.
Why?
Because they are sucking up the water so they can feed their trunk.
Okay, I like your thinking. Well, we'll have to come back and check on this in an hour and see what's happened, okay?